How to enable VPN on Opera GX Mobile. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Opera GX mobile application. You will be greeted with this interface here with several games on it. Here, as you scroll down, you cannot see anything related to enabling VPN. So let's try other options. Tap on the setting option and tap on setting. Also here you cannot see anything related to enabling your VPN. So that means the Opera GX mobile application version does not support VPN. That is also for your own safety. Unlike your computer, you cannot enable a VPN on mobile application even if you go to any of these settings. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.